Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
Today on the show, we're going to be going to my actual in-laws house, put in a nice LED strip light that is easy to install. I think anybody can do it, and it's a huge upgrade to your kitchen. So follow along and watch us get that done. Okay, we've arrived at the house. It's cold out. It's like 40 degrees and rain. So we're gonna hurry up and get in there and see what we need for materials to get this job done and tools. And we'll come back to the truck and show you what we're gonna use for today. Here's what we're gonna be using for this project: a multi-tool, screw gun, and a shot vac. We'll also be using a screwdriver to remove sections that we need removed after multi-tooling. Something else here I want to show is the use of a hot metal glue gun. You can actually use this glue gun to secure the wires inside the cabinets. That way you don't have to use cable stay. These are the lights we'll be using from Home Depot. They are a multicolored changing tape light fasteners that go on the ends of the wires to go over the microwave. We're going to take the multi-tool and cut a slot in the cabinet parts there, right behind the frame, for the lights to go in. Here we are doing that process, making the slot and taking a screwdriver and popping the pieces out so we can get it fitted. All that's left to do is make sure that it fits the length, pull the 3M tape backing off, and stick it to the frame. Here we're putting it on the frame, and that'll finish out this section. On to the next side. Hey, so it's finished up putting the undercabinet lighting in, and I'll give you a little quick peek. Here you go. So you can see that it made a big difference changing these lights out. It lit up the counter a lot better. The remote control, I'll show you the remote here. This is the remote control. It's got a bunch of different features on it. So say you want to do red, you can do red, green, blue, purple, white, yellow, and teal. And then also the effects button. You know, a strobe. You can slow it down, you can speed it up. Different things you can do with these. But yeah, so that's it. Undercabinet lighting install.